My topic is consumer behavior and psychology in detail explained, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Consumer behavior is the study of how people make decisions about what they buy, use, and dispose of. It involves factors such as personal preferences, social influence, and other psychological factors. Psychology plays a crucial role in consumer behavior since it influences how people perceive and respond to marketing messages, as well as how they make decisions about their purchases. Some of the psychological factors that influence consumer behavior include motivation, perceptions, attitudes, learning, memory, personality, and lifestyle. For instance, people are motivated by various needs such as basic physiological needs, safety needs, social needs, and self-actualization needs. These needs influence the types of products and services they buy and the brands they prefer. Perceptions, attitudes, and beliefs also play vital roles in consumer behavior. People's perceptions influence how they interpret and evaluate marketing messages, while attitudes and beliefs shape their preferences and decision-making processes. Thus, companies use various marketing tactics to influence consumers' attitudes and beliefs about their products and services. Learning and memory processes also influence consumer behavior. People learn about products and services through experience, observation, and interaction with others. They also remember certain brands, products, or experiences which can influence their future purchasing decisions. Personality and lifestyle also affect consumer behavior. People have different personality traits and lifestyles that shape their buying decisions. For instance, some people may prefer luxury products to reflect their personality, while others may prefer less expensive, practical purchases. In conclusion, consumer behavior and psychology are closely intertwined, and understanding psychological factors is crucial for designing effective marketing strategies that appeal to consumers. Customer research, market segmentation, and targeted marketing campaigns informed by psychological insights can help businesses increase sales and build brand loyalty. Consumer behavior refers to the study of individuals, groups, or organizations and the processes they undertake to select, purchase, use, and dispose of products, services, ideas, or experiences. It involves understanding why consumers make certain decisions and how their behaviors are influenced by various internal and external factors. Consumer psychology, on the other hand, focuses specifically on the psychological processes that impact consumer behavior. Here are some key concepts related to consumer behavior and psychology. Needs and wants. Consumers have various needs and wants that drive their purchasing behavior. Needs are the basic requirements for survival, such as food, shelter, and clothing, while wants are the desires that go beyond basic needs, such as luxury goods or experiential purchases. Motivation. Consumers are motivated by different factors that lead them to take action. Motivation can stem from internal factors, such as personal needs or aspirations, or external factors, such as advertising or social influences. Perception. Perception refers to how consumers interpret and make sense of the information they receive from the environment. Consumers selectively perceive stimuli that are relevant to their needs and filter out irrelevant information. Attitudes and beliefs. Attitudes are individuals' evaluations or opinions about products, brands, or companies. Beliefs are the thoughts and knowledge consumers hold about specific products or attributes. Attitudes and beliefs influence consumers' preferences, purchasing decisions, and brand loyalty. Decision-making process. Consumers go through a series of steps when making purchasing decisions. This process typically includes problem recognition, information search, evaluation of alternatives, purchase decision, and post-purchase evaluation. Social influences. Consumer behavior is influenced by social factors, including family, friends, reference groups, culture, and societal norms. People are often influenced by the opinions and recommendations of others, and they may conform to social norms when making purchasing decisions. Emotions and branding. Emotions play a significant role in consumer behavior. Positive emotions associated with a brand or product can enhance consumer loyalty and purchase intentions. Effective branding aims to create emotional connections with consumers, aligning with their values and aspirations. Decision heuristics. Consumers often rely on mental shortcuts or decision heuristics to simplify their decision-making process. These heuristics include price as an indicator of quality, brand reputation, and the influence of word-of-mouth recommendations. Cognitive dissonance. Cognitive dissonance occurs when consumers experience a conflict between their beliefs or attitudes and their behavior after making a purchase. Marketers can address this dissonance through post-purchase communication and support. Understanding consumer behavior and psychology is crucial for businesses to develop effective marketing strategies, tailor their products or services to meet consumer needs, and create positive consumer experiences. It helps companies identify opportunities, segment their target market, position their offerings, and build strong relationships with their customers. Consumer behavior refers to the study of individuals, groups, or organizations and the processes they undertake to select, purchase, use, and dispose of products, services, ideas, or experiences to satisfy their needs and desires. Understanding consumer behavior is essential for businesses to develop effective marketing strategies and tailor their offerings to meet customer expectations. Consumer psychology, on the other hand, focuses specifically on the psychological factors that influence consumer behavior. Here are some key aspects of consumer behavior and psychology. Motivation. Consumers are driven by various motives, such as physiological needs, social needs, self-esteem, or personal fulfillment. Understanding the underlying motivations can help businesses position their products or services to appeal to these needs. Perception. Perception refers to how consumers interpret and make sense of the information they receive from the external environment. It includes the way consumers perceive products, brands, pricing, advertising messages, and other stimuli. Marketers can use this knowledge to shape consumer perceptions through effective branding and communication strategies. Attitudes and beliefs. Attitudes are a consumer's overall evaluation or feelings toward a particular product, service, or brand. Beliefs are the thoughts or understandings consumers hold about a product's attributes and benefits. Marketers can influence attitudes and beliefs through persuasive messaging, advertising, and brand experiences. Decision-making process. Consumers go through a decision-making process when making a purchase. This process typically involves problem recognition, information search, evaluation of alternatives, purchase decision, and post-purchase evaluation. Understanding each stage helps businesses identify opportunities to influence consumer decisions and address any barriers or concerns. Social influences. Consumers are influenced by their social environment, including family, friends, reference groups, and culture. Social factors can impact consumer behavior by shaping preferences, attitudes, and purchasing decisions. Marketers can leverage social influence by utilizing social proof, influencer marketing, and creating brand communities. Emotions. Emotions play a significant role in consumer behavior. Positive emotions can enhance product satisfaction, brand loyalty, and word-of-mouth recommendations, while negative emotions can discourage repeat purchases and damage brand reputation. Understanding how emotions are triggered and how they impact consumer decisions can help businesses create emotionally engaging experiences. Cognitive biases. Consumers are subject to cognitive biases, which are systematic errors in thinking that can influence decision-making. Common biases include anchoring bias, confirmation bias, and availability bias. Recognizing these biases can help marketers design strategies to mitigate their effects and encourage more rational decision-making. Consumer segmentation. Consumers exhibit diverse behaviors, preferences, and needs. Marketers use segmentation to divide the market into distinct groups based on demographic, psychographic, behavioral, or geographic characteristics. This segmentation allows businesses to target specific consumer segments with tailored marketing strategies. Understanding consumer behavior and psychology requires a combination of research, data analysis, and psychological theories. Market research techniques such as surveys, focus groups, and observation, as well as psychological theories like Maslow's hierarchy of needs or the theory of planned behavior, can provide valuable insights into consumer motivations, perceptions, and decision-making processes. By applying this knowledge, businesses can develop effective marketing strategies, create appealing products, and build strong relationships with their consumer behavior refers to the study of individuals, groups, or organizations and the processes they use to select, secure, use, and dispose of products, services, experiences, or ideas to satisfy their needs and wants. Consumer psychology, on the other hand, focuses specifically on understanding the psychological factors that influence consumer behavior. Here are some key aspects of consumer behavior and psychology. Motivation. Understanding why consumers behave the way they do requires an understanding of their underlying motivations. Consumers are driven by various needs, such as physiological needs, safety needs, social needs, esteem needs, and self-actualization needs. Marketers often tap into these motivations to create products or marketing messages that resonate with consumers' desires. Perception. Consumers perceive and interpret information based on their previous experiences, attitudes, beliefs, and expectations. Perception plays a vital role in how consumers evaluate and make decisions about products or brands. Marketers need to understand how consumers perceive their offerings and manage their brand image accordingly. Learning and memory. Consumer behavior is influenced by the learning process, which involves acquiring new knowledge or skills through experience, observation, or interaction. Consumers' previous experiences with a product or brand shape their future behavior and decision-making. Additionally, memory plays a role in how consumers recall information and make choices. Attitudes and beliefs. Consumers develop attitudes and beliefs towards products, brands, and companies based on their personal values, experiences, and social influences. Positive attitudes and strong beliefs often lead to preference and loyalty. Marketers aim to shape consumers' attitudes and beliefs through advertising, branding, and other persuasive techniques. Social influences. Consumers are influenced by their social environment, including family, friends, peers, and cultural norms. Social factors, such as reference groups, social class, and cultural values, impact consumers' purchasing decisions and brand choices. Marketers often leverage social influence by using social proof, influencer marketing, or testimonials to persuade consumers. Emotions. Emotions play a significant role in consumer behavior. Consumers' emotional responses to products, advertisements, or shopping experiences can shape their attitudes and decisions. Positive emotions, such as joy or excitement, can lead to a stronger connection with a brand, while negative emotions, such as fear or anger, can drive consumers away. Decision-making. Consumer decision-making processes can vary depending on the complexity of the purchase. Consumers may go through a series of steps, including problem recognition, information search, evaluation of alternatives, purchase decision, and post-purchase evaluation. Marketers need to understand these decision-making processes and provide relevant information and support at each stage. Individual differences. Consumers have unique characteristics and traits that influence their behavior. Factors like personality, lifestyle, demographics, and psychographics contribute to individual differences. Marketers often segment their target audience based on these factors to tailor their marketing efforts effectively. Understanding consumer behavior and psychology is crucial for marketers to develop effective marketing strategies, create compelling brand experiences, and meet consumers' needs and desires. By gaining insights into consumers' motivations, perceptions, attitudes, social influences, and decision-making processes, businesses can better understand and connect with their target audience. Moreover, ethical considerations in marketing must be taken into account, as psychological tactics aimed at exploiting vulnerabilities or deceiving consumers are not only unethical but also may cause damage to the company's reputation and brand image. Therefore, companies need to consider the social responsibility of their marketing practices and ensure that their tactics are ethical and transparent. Overall, the understanding of consumer behavior and psychology can help companies develop effective, ethical, and sustainable marketing strategies that meet customer needs and preferences while also achieving their business. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.